world. And so that's interesting in the sense that that's currently how all the money of the government, which is going into trying to do these fixing things, is currently going through still government and people close to government, which sadly has attracted and is a culture which is corrupt. So as we understand corruption, the amount of corruption someone's willing to take and believes is good or bad is all relative. So all humans base our things relatively off of what exists. And we learned through Nazi Germany and the Holocaust that sadly there was a whole country who didn't necessarily go after demanding that stop. And so that should give us some empathy for government officials in the sense that that is simply a culture and systems that's corrupted. But I want to give this to the exciting part that matters for any people watching, and a meta meme that I think is emergent, and Richard Branson wrote a book about it even, which is that you can now expect more funding to be coming into the space of altruism, of doing good for the world. And as we get more large amounts of this funding, the funding simply seeks better methodologies to do good. And so what we've had in the world is a techno-capital machine, often called. Techno-capitalism, people call it late-stage capitalism. And it's good. That's another meta meme, late stage. We're in the final bits of how this whole thing is working, which is the system that has been built to extract from us.
Yeah.
What is TikTok? TikTok is an extraction algorithm. It wants to give you as much pleasure and fun that it can. It cares nothing about your well-being. We've created the most advanced technology that we can as a humanity, and we've been doing worse than Nazi Germany.
Those are big words. My friend is giving a very profound analysis about many things. Very cool, man. Thanks for sharing all this valuable information that you're processing.
Well, and where it's even leading me towards understanding and realizing, because as I said, the questions that you asked helped bring me more to this further insight, which is what happened in the venture capital market was, rather than it being Series D deals, these really big companies, they started building more and closer to seed stage funds and Y Combinator and these sorts of things, which were better methods to help people do good.
Yeah, that's ideal. Like the New Earth, like we are in a higher consciousness level, that our actions are for the better of the world, like for the economy, the education, the sport, the health, the arts, everything that make us, a better human, and for also the animals and the plants, because we're interconnected with all life.